Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can change your mobile number on Amazon application. So firstly open up your Amazon application, then click on the three lines at the bottom right corner, then choose account, then again choose login and security. Now it will send you an email to verify it's you or not. Just wait for it. So as you can see, the Amazon just sent email. Just simply click on that. Now the Amazon will ask you that the person who is accessing the application is you or not. What you have to do is just press on please approve or deny. Then it will take you to a browser, and over there just click on approve. Now go back to your Amazon app, and now this is the new page that should open, and over there you will find your mobile number. Just click on edit. Now enter the new mobile number that you want to add. After that just press continue. Now it will send a text for verification to that number. Just press OK. So after the verification process is over, your mobile number should be changed. So that's all. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.